I am getting ready to install the Helteko brand car seat covers and seat organizers. Helteko was awesome enough to sponsor this video. We're gonna start with the simpler one, which I think is the seat organizer, which is gonna go right here. This is gonna hang on the front seat. I'm gonna show you the installation of it. Real simple. We have really strong straps right here. We can open these straps up and go around the seat, and then we can tighten the strap so that this thing's just hanging. Okay, so that is the top part of it. This right here has to go all the way around the front seat. So I'm gonna wrap this around the front seat, all the way towards the bottom, and then just snap it in, right down there. And then the cool thing is that it's real easy to just pull tight. So I'm gonna make this nice and tight, tuck this loose thing here. And now I'm getting ready to install this car seat cover. What we're looking at here is the non-slip surface right there. And then on this side is the side that is going to be face up. It's got this little split here so that you can use the latch system in your car. This little tongue right here actually goes down inside, goes right down inside between your car seats, your seat of your car. And this goes around the headrest, just like the other one. Look, that's laying there nicely. That's gonna protect these seats. So again, I'm just gonna pull this one pretty tight. And there's that. That was a super easy install. That was easier, honestly, than the one in the front. That was a basic install. Not a hard install at all.